bakit? Bakit hindi ako nag-blackout? Bakit hindi ko sila inatake katulad ng ginawa ko kay Cyrus sa tram? Daming nangyari habang suot ko ang uniform na to. Pero sa lahat, ito na yata ang pinakamalala.
Jay!
Kiefer.
Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. I'm here. Don't cry, don't cry. Please don't cry, I'm here. Don't cry. It's okay. I'm here. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. Is this your blood? Nasaktan ka ba?
Hindi. Akala ko mauulit yung nangyari kay Ram. Takot ako.
It's okay. Everything's okay. Everything's okay, huh? Stop crying. Huh? Stop crying.
Nakakita ko ng dugo. Pero di ako nawalan ng malay at nanakit ng iba.
And we'll figure out why. But for now, let's get you cleaned up.
Alam kong hindi pwede dahil fiancé ko na si Yuri. Pero bakit ganito? Bakit pag kay Kiefer, sigurado ako sa nararamdaman ko. Teka, anong gagawin mo?
You need rest. Shut up and let me.